Drain your compressor. This is your friendly reminder to drain your compressor. Don't be like me. I'm scared. I haven't done this in like a year, and I can just hear the water. If you're not draining the condensation out of your air compressor, you're asking for trouble. That water is going to build up inside the tank, and over time, it causes rust and corrosion, like you see here. That's going to eat the tank from the inside out. Not only does that shorten the life of your compressor, it actually can turn into a safety hazard if the tank weakens enough. On top of that, every bit of water in your tank takes up space that should be filled with air, so your compressor runs harder, cycles more often, and it's never going to perform the way it should. And when that moisture gets pushed down the line, it's going to wreck all your air tools, and it's going to contaminate projects that depend on clean air. The fix, it's simple. Drain your tank. It only takes a couple minutes, and it's going to leave your compressor running strong for years.